In times of uncertainty, having a reliable long-term food storage plan can provide peace of mind and security. Today, we'll explore how to create your own long-term food storage using items easily available at your local grocery store. Start with the basics: rice, beans, and pasta. These staples are inexpensive, easy to store, and incredibly versatile. Rice, for example, can last up to 30 years if stored properly in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. Beans are another essential. They're packed with protein and fiber, making them a vital part of any survival diet. Pasta, too, has a long shelf life and can be used in various meals. Next, let's talk about canned meats and vegetables. Canned meats like chicken, tuna, and Spam provide necessary protein and can be a crucial source of sustenance during emergencies. Canned vegetables offer essential vitamins and minerals. Don't overlook oils and fats, which are critical for cooking and baking. While oils like olive oil and coconut oil don't have as long a shelf life as dry goods, they're still essential. For those looking to take their prepping to the next level, consider investing in a freeze dryer. Freeze-dried foods, including fruits, vegetables, and even full meals, can last up to 25 years when stored properly. Food storage is crucial, but so is water storage. The average person needs at least 1 gallon of water per day for drinking and sanitation. Beyond the basics, explore different food preservation methods like canning, dehydrating, and vacuum sealing. Once you have your food stored, where you keep it is just as important. Choose a cool, dry, and dark place, like a basement or a dedicated pantry, for your food storage. A well-rounded food storage plan also considers the need for variety and morale. If you have dietary restrictions or special needs, plan accordingly. In conclusion, building a long-term food storage system is not just about survival. It's about ensuring your comfort and well-being during uncertain times. With the right approach, you can create a stockpile that not only sustains you physically but also provides peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever the future may hold.